Hello, in this video we are going to establish a server on ESP32. This server will send UDP messages continuously to the PC via Wi-Fi. Regarding the more specific architecture, as always we are working in ESP IDF on the ESP32, and on the PC we are running a Python program which will read those messages. The small understanding regarding the adjustment, the Wi-Fi have to be adjusted to your net, because ESP32 have a dynamic Wi-Fi allocation with this command inside the code when he established the Wi-Fi communication. We are using dynamic host configuration protocol, DHCP, and on the PC we have to use an ipconfig command to see which internal IP was allocated for this PC. For example, in this case it was 1.2, this one. You see IP address. Okay. Regarding the code, we have our code saved in Sims IoT devices, the socket repository, where we are talking about number 6, UDP Server Send. This is the server that sends information, and we have the Python code UDP Python receive. Also, please note that you have to use my data with the Wi-Fi credentials in order to make this ESP IDF project work. Please notice. Regarding the socket server send, this is this file which we are copying to our project. And regarding the Python, we receiving. It's a very small file that we are running on our PC. So this is our setup. First step is to understand which IP our PC was allocated. So in ipconfig, here you can see that now we have this IP. So we expect our program here, which we copied here, to send it here on this IP. Okay, let's run the code. Meanwhile, as it's compiling, I just want to note there is three lines: Wi-Fi connection, and the IP task, where the Wi-Fi connection have. Okay, now we got the IP connection, and it starts sending messages. You see, this is our IP that was allocated for ESP32, but it's irrelevant in this case. The most relevant is the IP that we want to send to. So we establishing Wi-Fi connection here. This is the Wi-Fi handler, and this is the function that sends the UDP message to this IP on this port. We define the IP configuration, and we are using send to function here continuously to say the relative string. We are sending hello from ESP, this one, okay, and counting the messages. Now we want to listen, so we run the Python file, and we're receiving those messages. You see, we start running from message number 60. Now it's message 68, and we have a continuous messages sent and received from ESP32 to our PC. That's it. It was a short demonstration of the possibility to send a UDP message from ESP32 server to the PC and receive those messages via Python code. Thank you.